In this module, we will discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping radiators and condensers.
First, inspection and cleaning.
Confirm part description as well as interchange information on work order matches the part and any special instructions have been completed. Check the seal between the aluminum core and plastic tank for damage or leakage. Check for broken or missing mounting tabs and brackets. Check for obvious damage to the fins or lines which would render the unit defective. Remove all cut hoses running to inlets or fittings. Drain the part thoroughly and plug all openings.
Tagging and identification. Stock number or PO number should be engraved or written on hidden inward-facing portion of part only. Shipping. All cooling components must be boxed. Use a box with dimensions similar to 22 by 6 by 36. At least 1 to 2 inches worth of packaging space should surround the unit inside the box.
To quickly assess your box size, use your index, middle, and ring finger as a minimum width check between the outer box wall and the cooling part.
All right, Emily, so this radiator is prepped and ready to go. Any considerations we should be thinking about?
I would say just make sure that it's good and drained. It's plugged so we don't have any leaking. Also, make sure you're checking the cores, the fins for damage, that the tank on the side is also not damaged and properly packed. Also, make sure that your hoses are all removed and not hanging on there. It's going to fit in the box better, not going to have any leaking. It's going to look better for our end customer as well.
Thank you, Emily. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.